see on average May to September 15 90-degree days at this point. Last year though we had 19 number of 90-degree days. This year though 13. So we're not only behind especially what we saw last year, but also what we see on average, just 2 behind that. Not so sure we'll see any more of that. It doesn't look like temperatures are going to be well above average. We're actually going to see well below average temperatures. Not today, but then once that cold front does pass, tomorrow and the next couple of days, really Monday through Wednesday, a big cool down on the way. 53 in Rockford, 51 in Rochelle, 56 in Freeport. Don't have any 60s out there, but it is a little warmer in Monroe and Galena, both at 59. So strong trough and high pressure that's located to our north. Eventually that does slide in over our area, and you can see that trough does expand, eventually goes further off to the northeast coast, but we are talking about cool temperatures roughly for that time. And even to follow that, our average temperature high about 77, so we're still in the mid to upper 70s now, but we're not even going to reach highs in the 70s. In fact, temperatures the next couple of days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, only in the upper 60s, and this is typical for early October, late September, early October. So temperatures will feel very, very fall-like the next couple of days. Again, today still a little warmer, but we are tracking rain in the forecast. So we do sit under mostly cloudy skies right now. You can really see that on the radar moving in. A few spotty showers cannot be completely ruled out early in the day. Spotty, isolated at best, but later, late tonight into the overnight hours, that's when I expect this to increase in coverage, and we could even see a few pockets of heavy showers, maybe some decent rain out of this. I don't think it'll cause much of a change on the drought monitor, which the extreme drought did expand a little bit with our latest drought monitor update that came out Thursday. A few isolated showers are going to continue into Monday and then even into Tuesday, but that heaviest rain I expect to come overnight tonight into early Monday morning. So you do need an umbrella probably if you are heading out early. As far as how much rain we could see, I do think there's a chance that we get a couple tenths, maybe even up to a ½ an inch, especially in the areas that do see those pockets of heavy rain. So there is a chance that we could see a few tenths up to half, maybe even closer to an inch. But again, that's all going to be in these spots that do see those pockets of heavy rain and on the radar with those colors that are yellows and then the reds, the really darker colors out there. 78 though today, so temperatures stay warm. Wind's not going to be a huge problem, only between about 5 and 10 miles per hour. Isolated showers, but again, that does increase and expand in coverage tonight with a low holding in the 60s, probably lower 60s. A few areas could drop into the upper 50s. I think most of us are going to be 60, 61, 62. Cooler weather then for Monday and Tuesday. I think temperatures will be a little bit better Thursday, maybe climbing closer towards average, still a few degrees below that Friday and Saturday. But Tom, notice our overnight lows dip into the lower to mid 40s some nights, so it's going to feel very cold out there.
All right.